Meaning of dessert spoon.
Dessert spoon.
Dessert spoon.
Dessert spoon.
Dessert spoon. A dessert spoon is a type of spoon that is commonly used for eating desserts or sweet dishes. It is larger than a teaspoon but smaller than a tablespoon and typically holds around 2 teaspoons of liquid. The term is most commonly used in British English and Australian English, while American English tends to use the term tablespoon instead. In cooking recipes, a dessert spoon is often abbreviated as DSP or DS and is used as a unit of measurement for ingredients such as sugar, flour, or baking powder.